In this video, let us understand how to make single page website. It's a web design series. It's a part 5. If you are not yet watched the previous videos, so please watch the previous video too that give you a basic idea like how to design the website. All the links are provided in the description, so please check in the description. Also subscribe to our channel and then watch more videos in our channel when you are free. Therefore you can learn a lot of things to design website, also make the projects. Now let's talk about single page. So for whom it's useful? So it's useful for a business people want to make a website. You can always do your own website yourself. I'll show you like how to do this step by step. So if you're providing a service about your service, you want to make a website, so you can do so. If you're a student and you're looking for a job, you can make your resume, single page resume. So you can publish online. So therefore you can refer that page to the clients or companies. So where you're looking for a job. News, if you're a blogger and you want to write the news on everyday basis, we can learn like how make attractive news page. So therefore people can read the news. Stories, any stories you can write or anything else other than this. You want to make a web page, you can always do so. So let's learn the whole thing like how we can make in a simple steps the whole web page. So here is our channel iBlix tutorials on YouTube. So if you open channel, you can see there is a subscribe button. Please click on subscribe button to subscribe. And here is the rest of the videos about like how to design the website. Please watch them. Apart from this, you wish to learn HTML step by step, we have videos to learn HTML also. So just browse down, then you can learn HTML here step by step. So many useful videos for the CS students and people enthusiastic to learn languages, computer science languages. A lot of information is available in our channel. So when you are free, come to our channel, just browse the videos and then check the videos. You can learn a lot of things here. Fine. So again, please subscribe to our channel and suggest our channels to other friends too. Now here we learn all the things step by step. I'll show you like how to build the whole website in a single page. So for that, let's make a one folder here. So let's going to create a new folder. So I'll just mark it a W10T website. Done. So here you can see that it's totally empty page. There is nothing here. So we create everything from the scratch. So I'm going to use a notepad plus plus for writing the code. So what I'll do is I'll just take out everything here. Okay. So keep only body. Okay. So this is only basic titles. This is HTML. We are closing HTML. Head, title. Okay. We can take example as a mobile phones. For a mobile phone. Okay. If you are selling mobile phone, I want to make a website for the mobile phone. So let's call it as IBX mobile is the title. So this is the title and here is the body and here is the HTML. Now I go to this, I'll say save as and I'll go to this new folder. Sorry, this is a website too. So I'll save this. Now you can see that there is only one file. So index.html. Just now what we created, it's here. Right. So now if I run this file, so just go right click and you can say open. So it'll open from your location. But once you things are ready, we can host to the website. So now you can see that when you execute this, there is nothing. So because we are not yet written anything here. So only thing is we have a title here. So iPlex mobiles. So now we can need to plan like what should be there here. Okay. So some logo should come over here. Fine. So in order to make a logo, I'll use the paint here. So this is the paint. So file new. Okay. So what size you want, you can keep that size. So again, go to colors. So some dark colors I want to select. Put the color here and then take the text. So here, what is the color you want? Let's say white color. iBlix mobiles. So you can change the font and all, like how your logo should look. You can make that one. So you can also take, like, no, there is a, this is a eraser. Control minus will make it very small, and here you want to make something like a logo kind of stuff. You can always do so. Sorry. Okay, so you take a white line, white color, and then drag a line. Maybe this is better. Okay, so number pad has to come. So for that, you select the color here and then select the this one. Even you have to go to background color and you have to select this. And if I click here, now you can see that. So we can also zoom this, so therefore you can see it much more clearly. So now it's a little better. So right click is come back to original file. So now call this as a logo. So therefore you go to PNG, and now I just go to D drive. So here is a website, and this is website 2. So now call it as a logo 1.png or logo.png. So it will put little effort to make the complete picture ready. Now we need to call that picture. So we'll use the table here. So from the beginning only table. So let's say border is equal to 0. So width will take 100%. So this width is equal to 100%. So now we'll use a tr, then td. So this is image. You can use the src. This is src is equal to. So what are the logo names? So this is logo.png. Then slash td. Then slash tr. Okay. So save this, and then if you open this browser, if you click, you can see that Iblix mobiles is here. So next that we want to put some pictures here. So some mobile pictures. What I'll do is I'll just go to Google Images. I write mobile phones new. Okay. Fine. So we'll take this picture, copy the picture. So again go to paint. So here we can paste it. So it's so big. We go to resize and we see the pixels. It's 2560. We required 1366. Say OK. Fine. So now go to file and just say PNG. Now call this as a pic1.png. So this picture has to come here. Okay. So now you have to give gap between your logo and the picture. So therefore you can use tr, and here we can specify the height height is equal to some 40. That is a 40 pixels. After that this picture has to come. So therefore you can call it as pic1.png. Copy and paste the same line. Okay, this line is copied and pasted again here. So now save this. Now we can able to run this. So we go back to mobile, so you can see that the picture appeared. So this, what you can do is, you can see that if I resize this, the picture is not resizing. Okay, so what we can do is, we want to resize the picture too, therefore you can give width is equal to 100%. Now what will happen? So you can see that this picture is inside the this window. Now if I resize, even the picture is resizing. Same thing we can do with the logo also. So we can go to logo picture. Here we can write width 100%. Okay, so width 100% is becomes too big. Okay, let me take it as 20%. Right. So now if you resize the picture, sorry, resize the window, the logo is also resizing with that. Done. So one picture is done. So you want to say something on this picture, you can type here. So or else it's okay. So next what you can do is, we want to write some content there. So therefore we can take this empty, and here you can use the BG color. So background color, BG color, that is equal to which color you want, you need to decide. Let's say I'm using some color here. This height I'll take it as 400 now. Now you can see that this is the color, and here is there is a gap actually. This gap we don't want. So what you have to do is, you have to go to table again. There are two more properties. One is cell padding, that is equal to 0. Then cell spacing, and that is equal to 0. If we make this both 0 0, so then you can see the gap will not be there. So it will join with the picture. So here you want to write content, you can write the content. So what is the content you want to write? Let's say you are welcome to our site. And we can use H1 with that, H1. So it's on left side, so you want to bring to the center. So if we go to TD, you write align is equal to center. So you can see that it's at the center. We are not using the CSS now. So in later stage we'll use the CSS. In this video we will only use the basic HTML commands, and then let me complete the whole web page in a single page. Right, after that we want to put some more product picture. So for that what you can do is, you can go back to this images. So here you can select the new images. Okay, so you want to search for the particular brand, you can search for it. Okay, Samsung phones. Okay, so you'll use this picture. So now again we'll paste it on the same picture. So now this size is very small, but actually you need to select the higher resolution pictures. Then the look and feel will be better. So how do we check the high resolution picture? If you want high resolutions, you have to go to tools, then size. You have to select large here. So you can see that. So you can have a large picture over there. Then we can copy this. So now we can paste it here. So now it's quite big. So go to resize again pixel. This is 1366. Now go to save as, and now call this as a pic2. So this picture we want to call after this. So therefore what we can do is, we can copy this, then paste here, and then say pic2.png. So you can refresh this, you can see that picture will come. Now we can scroll down, so one or the other picture will come, or content will come. So we can make all our things, whatever we want, everything to be here only. So now we want to write about Samsung phone. So we can go to content here, Samsung S21. Let's say phone review. So we'll take some content from the, okay, it's only for sample, okay, nothing to do with the real watch. So here is the verdict. So this content we want to bring it over there, okay, so just copy the content. So then go to notepad, okay, so there you paste it first, control C. Now we want to bring the content over here, but this should be again, sorry, something wrong. Okay, so now what you can do is you copy this, so remove this, so this 40 some space you want to provide, so let it be there. So then again copy. So now here you want to put the headline, so this is our verdict, so therefore you copy this, a verdict on, so this phone, okay, so this is Galaxy 21, right, so this is the heading, so therefore it will come little bigger size, then copy and paste. Now you have to put the content here. So H1 is not required, so therefore remove the H1. Save this, and then if you come back and see what will happen. So our verdict Samsung is there here. Okay, so it's printed, but it's on center. So just change to left, and now here you can make it as H3. This is heading 3. Fine. So this is about the content, and you want more space here. So copy this to give the height. So likewise, you can copy and paste and put pictures or content, whatever you want. And at the end, you want to give the address or Google Map. So we go to Google Map and take the picture from the Google Map. So maps. Fine. So you can search for your company where it is located. Fine. So now you can right click on this. So click share. So we'll have a link here, copy link. So the link is copied. Now we want to bring this picture over here. Okay. So let me put it over here. So in order to embed the map, so you have to go to share, and here is the embed map. Okay. So you have to select this link, copy HTML. So you have to copy that HTML. Then you have to bring back here. Sorry, instead of this, so you have to paste it here. So this is the code. Now we'll take one more tr, then paste it here. So here it has to come. So inside the td, okay. So now what you can do is we can copy this code and then we can paste it here. So save this. So now we can come back to our page and we can refresh the page. You can see that the page is available over here. So here map, on clicking this again it will take to, you can zoom it, you can increase the size, or you want to make the width to be more, so maybe you can change that one. So here is the width, so let's make 100%. So if it's 100% height, okay, remove the height. Okay, so height is reduced, so let me put height also. Okay, so height 450, and then we'll put one more gap over there. So paste empty tr, and then here you can make 100. So after the picture we have again gap here. So this is the map picture. You can able to zoom and then you can able to see. If you want more height, we can always do so. Then you can give the contact address. That also you can make picture, or else just simply put contact us. Then we can write the address here. So this you can choose H5, then number 826, 9th Main, MP Nagar, Bangalore. 104. Okay. So now if I save this, so if I refresh this, now you can see that contact us all is there. So this you can take to left side. So this left you can make it as a left. So this is left. Okay, right. So save this. So now you can see contact us. It's here. So this is how you can make a complete page, a single page website with scrollable. And then once everything is ready, so therefore now all the images, pages, everything is there here. We need to host this to website. So where you have a server, you have to send all these things to your server, so therefore it will go there. Hope you understand the concept. Even is simple, basic level. So keep try, keep improve this, and you can definitely be able to build the website. So also follow our channel, subscribe to our channel, and learn a lot of things from our channel. Therefore, you can able to improve your website. You can also learn. You can do a lot of things. Okay. Thank you very much.